The Guam Waterworks Authority held a news conference this morning at its Agutnia Sewage Treatment Plant to celebrate its completion of its outfall extension projects. GWA wastewater engineer Julie Shane.
Yes, we completed the outfall projects. We installed 2 new deep ocean outfalls, one at the Northern District Wastewater Treatment Plant up there north of Tangeeson Beach, and one right out here.
The Agutnia outfall extends 2,200 feet from the shoreline, while the Northern District outfall extends 1,900 feet. And just how did they do it?
We started it up out here, drilled down under the seafloor so that we didn't disturb any of the coral, much better than having to cut it up and bother it. Came out, it's more cost effective. They can have all the typhoons over if they want, nothing's going to bother it.
The total amount racked up for the project ran GWA $32.5 million, and that's only to restore the primary treatment for the plants. But now GWA is fighting an issue brought to them earlier this year by US EPA, and that's to construct secondary treatment, something that was not mentioned in the original stipulation order and will cost GWA $300 million more. Shane says the project is now impossible because funds were only approved for other wastewater projects and priorities.
There are projects identified, future projects, for the Agutnia and Northern District wastewater treatment plants. None of those projects have anything to do with secondary treatment.
The secondary treatment would also mean a 40% increase for GWA customers. Shane says this is an issue that Hawaii is fighting, adding that US EPA is wrong, saying that the secondary treatment is needed.
We both think that US EPA has made a mistake with this, and we are working on doing a joint approach to them.
In the meantime, Shane says the project GWA just completed will help to keep the island's beaches clean. Nick Delgado, PNC News.